nature. It's the biggest and best hack to transformation. We want to evolve. We want to go farther along. We want to bring about and inhabit the new earth, move to 5D, awaken more, transcend. Nature is a huge key to that growth and evolution. Our indigenous ancestors knew so much more than we do. And it all had to do with their relationship with the land and with one another and with their relations to plants and the animals. And they had such reverence and love and symbiotic relationship with the land and cared for it, and tended to it, and listened to it, paid attention to it, and loved it. They took from the land the fruits, and they gave back in reciprocity by taking care of it, giving thanks, and giving to others from the abundance. This planet is unbelievably abundant. We inhabit an almost infinitely abundant planet. And everywhere that we can look, we can see and connect with something magical, something beautiful, some miracle that is right here, right under our feet, right in front of our nose, right above our heads, all around us. As we continue to grow and evolve and bring about the new earth, move into the fifth dimension, as we do these things, more and more we are reintegrating back with nature, realizing we are nature. Who we really are is inseparable from Gaia, from Mother Earth, Pachamama. We are part of the ones who are embraced by our loving Mother. We are taken care of, we are provided for. Everything that we could want or need is right here. And in some ways, particularly in the US, there have been moments, times recently where we are moving in the right direction to reconnect with nature, to reconnect with Mother Gaia. Earlier this year, in the Northwest, there were huge dams that were removed. Some of the largest dams in the United States that were old, that were getting decrepit, that were removed and restored the flow that was previously there at the Klamath River. And the indigenous peoples in that area had been fighting for that river to be restored for decades. And finally, now it is coming true to where the Klamath River is flowing again as it should be, as it could be, and the salmon are back. The salmon are coming back. Which means there's so many other life forms and so many other creatures in the ecosystem that are being restored. Restoration is happening as we give back to our indigenous brothers and sisters and re-enable them to re-inhabit their land and care for it and tend to it as they did before. We are restoring right relationship. We're restoring, bringing restoration to an area of people and even our own collective hearts as a country. We are making some things right that we had done wrong. And sure, there is evidence of areas where we are doing some things wrong and doing more things wrong. And at the same time, let us acknowledge where we are doing things right, where we are re-engaging and restoring our relationship with Mother Earth. And may there be more and more of this restoration of the land, giving back to the Indigenous what was stolen from them, what was taken away, and not just them, but their brothers and sisters, the plants and animals that were devastated by the extraction, that were devastated by the destruction. Now, may this be restoration, time of restoration. As we continue to grow and change and evolve, this restoration is happening on a collective level, and may we participate in that more and more on an individual level. And we can do that by personally engaging in nature, by sun gazing, by walking through the woods and taking in the beautiful chemicals that are coming off of the trees, the phytoncides that do amazing things for our nervous system, for our bodies. And we can give back by giving thanks for these trees, for this grass, for these butterflies, and looking at them and appreciating them for who they are and what they mean to our lives. May we continue to be personally engaged and involved in our own restoration. As we restore the land, as we restore our relationship with the land, we will see more and more change, transformation happens that is in right relationship with life. So may we engage with, and be more actively involved with life that is all around us, all the time. May we touch and feel and smell, experience our plant brothers and sisters. May we walk with, notice, appreciate, hear our animal brothers and sisters, the insects. May we do what we can to restore their habitats, to bring things back into harmony, to bring ourselves back into harmony with life. And as we do that in nature with Gaia, in partnership and in love with her, we'll feel and experience more and more life and love and peace and joy and sense of gratitude in every other area of life. So as we take these walks, as we take in the sun, as we feel the gentle breeze, as we give thanks for such a beautiful day, such a wonderful time to be alive here in this place, to get to share this, to get to share these gifts that my ancestors got to enjoy and appreciate. As I eat more whole foods, fruits and nuts and vegetables, may I experience the life that goes into my body and give thanks. And may I learn more, may we learn more about this reciprocity of love and life with nature, with Gaia. So let us be intentional about taking our opportunities every day to engage with nature, even if we're stuck inside, to look outside the window and see. But may we get ourselves outdoors, outside, feet on the grass, butts on the ground, taking in the sun, feeling the wind, noticing the trees, watching the clouds, gazing at the stars. May we take it all in, and may we appreciate where we are and who we are and how we are enmeshed, interconnected with all of life. May we do this more and more and feel and experience more of who we really are as Pachamama, Mother Earth, Gaia, helps to reflect back to us exactly that, who we really are. May you feel it, experience it, know it deeply at your deepest heart level. May you feel it in nature. May you be restored in your knowledge, in your love, in your harmony with Earth, and with all of the cosmos. Thank you for joining me here in this nature trail. God bless.